Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Premiere Pro for motion blur and stabilization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Adobe Premiere Pro for motion blur and once the application is open, navigate to the Creative Cloud desktop app. If you do not have the Creative Cloud app installed, download it from the Adobe website. Log in with your Adobe ID and password. If you don't have an Adobe ID, create one by selecting the Get Started option. After logging in, find Premiere Pro in the Creative Cloud app. Click on the Apps tab to see all available Adobe applications. Locate Adobe Premiere Pro and click on the Install button. Once installation is complete, launch Adobe Premiere Pro. When the program opens, you may be prompted to sign in again. Enter your Adobe ID credentials if required. Now that you're logged in, start by creating or opening a project. To add motion blur, select the clip you want to edit from the timeline. Go to the Effects panel usually located on the right side of the screen. In the search bar, type Directional Blur or Gaussian Blur to find the relevant effects. Drag the chosen blur effect onto your clip in the timeline. Adjust the blur amount in that Effect Controls panel to achieve the desired motion blur. To stabilize a shaky clip, select the clip in the timeline again. Now, go back to the Effects panel and search for Warp Stabilizer. Drag the Warp Stabilizer effect onto the shaky clip. After applying the effect, Premiere Pro will analyze the clip for stabilization. This process may take some time, depending on the length and complexity of the clip. Once the analysis is complete, review the results by playing back your clip. If needed, fine-tune the stabilization settings in the Effect Controls panel. For further adjustments, try modifying the smoothness setting for optimal stabilization. After completing your edits, save your project by selecting File and then Save. You can then export your final video by clicking on File, followed by Export, and choosing Media. Select the desired format and settings, then click the. You're now ready to enjoy motion blur and stabilization in your Adobe Premiere Pro projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.